Ukraine has taken a bold step forward by establishing the world's first Unmanned Systems Forces, a dedicated drone branch of their military. This pioneering move is a testament to Ukraine's adaptive war strategy and technological prowess in the face of conflict. The creation of this branch marks a significant shift in modern warfare, as unmanned systems become increasingly integral on the battlefield. The strategic importance of this development was underscored by First Deputy Defense Minister Ivan Havryliuk, who envisions a future where victory is secured not just by manpower but by the intelligent application of robotic and unmanned systems. This vision extends beyond immediate combat zones, aiming to impact the full depth of enemy territories. The establishment of the drone forces is a clear departure from traditional military structures, reflecting Ukraine's ability to rapidly integrate lessons from current conflicts. Commander Vadim Sukharevsky's remarks highlight Ukraine's readiness to lead and innovate in this new era of warfare. The choice of a swallow, a symbol of victory in Ukrainian culture, as the emblem for this new branch, further emphasizes the nation's hope and determination. Designed by a neural network, the swallow emblem represents the fusion of cultural heritage with cutting-edge technology. Contrasting this development, U.S. Army General James Rainey, along with other Army leaders, maintains a cautious stance on the integration of drones into the military framework. They argue that drone technology should continue to evolve within existing formations before branching out. This conservative approach suggests a period of observation and development, allowing for a more mature integration of drone capabilities in the future. The divergence in perspectives between Ukraine's proactive establishment of a drone force and the U.S. Army's measured approach to the same technology reflects broader themes in military strategy and innovation. As nations grapple with the rapid evolution of warfare, decisions like these will shape the future of global defense and the role of technology on the battlefield. The Unmanned Systems Forces of Ukraine, symbolized by the neural network-designed Swallow, stand as a beacon of progress and adaptability in a time of unprecedented challenges.